Hi everyone, so I'm back today with a guest design team project for LaceBoutique1 on Etsy. That's Anna's shop, and I've used the kit called In Her Dreams, but I've also used some of her other kits and I can't remember the names of them now. So I've made, so that this journal's a little bit different for me. Where's my notes? Okay, I have some notes. I think I have some notes. Yes, I do. So anyway, the journal measures 8.5 by 5. It has 20 pages front and back. Is that right? 20 pages? We'll see. Can't remember. But it, like I said, it is different. It's not a writing journal as such. You can write in it. There is spaces to write. It's more of the decoration on this journal. It will be for sale. I'm going to pop this in my coffee shop, and I will have a link to that below. I'll also have a link to Anna's Etsy, Anna's Facebook group, and her Instagram account. Okay, so you can go over and subscribe to her YouTube channel, follow her on Etsy, and follow her on Instagram as well. She makes beautiful journals herself. So this is the lovely papers, and what I'm going to do, I'm actually having some work done on the house at the moment, and there's lots of noise drills and everything that I can't even hear myself. So when I do the flip through for this, I'm just gonna put some music on so you can't blank out the noise in the back, because obviously it's just about to start again. I only had this quick window of opportunity to do this video today. So yeah, I will do the flip through and you can listen to the music. If there is any questions, just ask below. And like I said, you'll have all the information, all the links to everywhere, plus the link to my listing on my coffee shop.